In 1975, the world's most significant stage for production technology, EMO, was born in Paris. A year before, 10,433 miles away in Melbourne, Australia, two young engineers, Boland and Pat McCluskey, had already planted the seeds of what would become ANCA CNC Machines. Founded in 1974, ANCA would grow to transform the world of precision grinding.
50 years of EMO. That is an impressive story, especially for us at ANCA. We have our 50-year anniversary as well, and we will make sure we have a special surprise for the EMO organizers.
By the early 1980s, ANCA had developed its first CNC tool grinder, a machine that quickly drew global attention. ANCA became known as a pioneer using computers to control grinding machines at a time when the idea was still revolutionary. In 1991, at EMO Paris, ANCA presented its first 5-axis grinding machine. That single debut changed the trajectory of the company, convincing global manufacturers that innovation could come from Australia too.
And since then, we have sold more than 10,000 of these machines. And I took the liberty to ask one of our visitors one time, because they told me about them buying their first ANCA machine very early after we had presented it in the 90s. And I asked them, how come you decided for ANCA as maybe as an Australian manufacturer? There may be, at that time, you may have been hesitant, but they said ANCA was able to show at the EMO innovations that really convinced them. And at that time, specifically, it was the Sim 3D simulation, which just speeded up their processes in a way that it helped their business so much they could just not do in any other way than buy an ANCA.
Software, automation, robotics, and integrated solutions became part of ANCA's DNA, making tool manufacturing faster, smarter, and more consistent. In 2024, ANCA proudly celebrated 50 years of innovation. With over 10,000 5-axis CNC machines installed globally and estimated 1.1 billion tools manufactured on its machines, ANCA stands today as a global leader in CNC tool and cutter grinding, a moment that symbolizes the innovation and community that EMO and ANCA have built together.